In this video, we'll discuss about security groups. Security groups are fundamentals of network security in AWS. They control how traffic is allowed into or outside of the EC2 instance. So security groups can only contain allow rules, and security groups rules can be referenced by IP or by security group. So security groups acts as a firewall on EC2 instances. They regulate access to ports, authorize IP ranges, IP4, IP version 6. They control the inbound traffic from other to the instances. They control the outbound traffic from the instance to other network. These security groups can be attached to multiple instances. So inside a security group, they can maintain security for multiple EC2 instances. They are logged down to a particular region per VPC combination, right? And it live outside the EC2. If traffic is blocked, the EC2 instance won't see it. So it is a good idea to maintain one separate security group for SSH access, so that we can access our EC2 instances using SSH. There are several problems sometimes you use, like you get timeout connection when you are trying to access the EC2 instances. In those cases, most of the times it's a security group issue. And if you're getting connection refused error, that means your application is not properly launched. In like security group, by default, all the inbound traffic is blocked, basically. So all the inbound traffic, right, from the outside to EC2 instances blocked by default, and EC2 instances can access resources outside. So all the outbound traffic is allowed. Then there are certain ports that you need to know while using EC2 instances. So port 22. So this is for SSH, secure shell. So you can log into the Linux instance using port 22. Then we have port 21, which is for FTP, file transfer protocol. Using FTP, you can upload files into a file share, etc. Then we have this port 80, like we all aware of port 80, which is for HTTP. Which 80 is for unsecured website access, HTTPS, which has port 443. This is mainly used for secured websites. And there is one more port which is used for remote desktop protocol 3389, which is used for RDP. So using this port, you can log into Windows instances. So this is all we had in the security groups.